hot like that, you see? Steaming hot. So nice.
So look at this. Fresh and nice. For amaranth, you can enjoy the fresh leaves or even the grain. So after the rains, look at how my amaranth, and it's a very small container, but with lush growth. So you can enjoy these fresh leaves at home. So I want to show you how to harvest the vegetable. So we are not going to uproot all of it because we are going to leave it behind so that it can produce more grain. This is another weed, and here we call it saget. And it has grown here just widely without, I did not spread any seeds. I do have seeds, but this one you can get it once the rains come in, and you can mix it with your vegetable. It's medicinal and nutritious. You look at the red stems, it's called saget. So we are also going to get this vegetable, and you look at how we are harvesting. So we are just harvesting the top. We are just harvesting the top, and then it's going to grow from this point. Did you know that you can eat the beet leaves? So it's like 2 in 1. So you don't pluck this part. This one will continue growing. So you just remove the big lower leaves. When you get the top part, you see these other parts that are left behind, they will still shoot up. So what you are cutting is just the top, and also trying to avoid the ones that have this. You see, you get the top part, and they are fresh and nice and soft. What I've learned over the years as I've been gardening, don't be so quick to come and remove the weeds, because now we are getting food freely. Look at that. This is free food, affordable. So just add some salt to your onions as they are frying. Okay, so now we are adding lots of tomatoes. I want to add the vegetables. The tomatoes are well cooked, so just add it in. Good. So now see the process, how to cook ugali. So you add it just like that. Make sure the water is boiling like that. Add some flour. Cover it again just a little bit. Add some more. So we want it stiff, but not hard. Hard like a rock, but stiff and malleable. Yes. Add some more. So the trick is to make sure your water is boiling before you start adding the flour. Otherwise it becomes so hard. You mash it up properly. So at this point, you don't add any more flour. And you look, it is not that stiff, but as you continue cooking it, it will stiffen. Wow, like that.
done that, and you've made sure there is no flour. You have to do it like that to make sure there is no flour remaining. You try your best. Just do it like that. Keep on turning it, mashing it up. And when you cook it this way, that's when you get the real taste of ugali. So it's ready, and it's time for plating up. You want to taste it? So you can keep it covered a bit. Do this. So let me show you how we get it round. Like that, you see? Aha! And now it's time to plate it up. The round ugali, look at that. Aha! Wow! Look at that. See? Ugali. So you take a piece, hot like that, you see? Steaming hot. So nice. Then you want to serve our fresh veggie. Look at that. Give it a taste, give it a taste, give it a taste, give it a taste. Give it a taste, give it a taste. How is it? Good.